Hello everyone, I'm Sharon from Sharonatsea Travel, and I am back with day 6 of the travel hacks and tips for you guys. And we have one more day that is all about packing. So let's get started. Number 1, always take a photo of your luggage before you hand it over to the airlines. This way, if for some reason your luggage gets lost or it's missing, you have a picture of it that you could show them, so it kind of helps speed things up when you're filling out all the paperwork and going through the process of your luggage being missing. You know, maybe if having a picture will help them identify your luggage and help get it back faster to you. Number 2, if you're traveling with jewelry and you don't want to bring a big travel jewelry organizer, you know, maybe you're not bringing that much jewelry, just grab a pill organizer. You can pick them up at the dollar store. You can put earrings, rings, you know, even other little bracelets and things in there. They don't take up much space in your luggage, and it keeps things very safe and organized. And number 3, sometimes people will get their clothes mixed up. What's dirty, what's clean, you know, especially if you're not the neatest or tidiest person and you take your clothes off on vacation, you just kind of like throw them around, throw them on the floor. And, you know, next thing you know, you're clean, you're dirty, things are getting mixed together. Well, always remember to turn your dirty clothes inside out and leave them inside out. And that way you know that the ones that are right side up are the clean clothes. And this is a good thing actually to teach children, and maybe for children when they're young and they're dressing themselves and they just kind of grab whatever. They don't care if it's dirty or clean, but maybe try to teach them, hey, the ones, you know, that are inside out, those are the dirty clothes, and the others are the clean clothes. Pick from the clean pile. Okay, so like I said, that's a good one if you're traveling with young children. So there you go. That was my 3 travel hacks for today. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you'll get notified when we post new content, because we have lots of new content coming your way and we have more travel hacks. And we'll see you tomorrow.